What if you could create cinematic AI images and videos, all inside one single platform without switching between tools? And not just basic content, I'm talking about 4K style cinematic visuals, smooth motion, and realistic results generated in seconds. Today, we're reviewing Hailuo AI and testing whether it can actually replace tools like Midjourney, Sora, and more in one place. Hailuo AI is an all-in-one creative platform that lets you generate AI images, AI videos. But here's the key difference. This isn't just multiple tools combined, it's a connected workflow where everything works together smoothly. No exporting, no switching tabs, no complicated setups. And inside the platform, you also get a tools section packed with powerful features like Storyboard, Any Angle, Light Studio, and Helio Agent. Models and features, what makes it powerful? Now let's talk about what's under the hood. Image models, Nano Banana Midjourney, Seedream, GPT, Image 2. Video models, Hailuo, 02, first/last frame control, Hailuo 2.3, Sora Veo, Cdance 2.0. This is where Hailuo stands out. You're basically getting access to top-tier AI models in one single platform, instead of using 3 to 4 different tools. Everything is centralized here. Full workflow test, image to video. Now let's actually test Hailuo like a real creator would. Step 1. Image generation. Product ad style. Prompt. A luxury perfume bottle on a marble table. Soft, golden lighting, water droplets, high-end product photography, ultra-realistic, cinematic depth. The output looks extremely premium. Lighting feels natural, reflections are clean, and the detail is sharp. Honestly, this looks like something you'd see in a real brand advertisement, not AI-generated content. Step 2. Turn image into video prompt. Camera slowly rotates around the perfume bottle. Light reflection shifting, soft cinematic motion, elegant commercial style, result review. This is where things get interesting. The image turns into a smooth cinematic video with proper camera motion. No weird distortions, no broken frames, just clean animation. It genuinely feels like a professional product shoot, not AI. Now let's talk about my favorite feature, Any Angle. With this, you can take any image and generate it from multiple camera angles automatically. No editing skills needed. AI handles everything. You get ready-made options like close-up shot, low-angle shot, high-angle shot, bird's eye view, and more. You can even create custom angles. You get the same subject rendered from multiple cinematic perspectives. This is extremely useful for cinematic shots, reels, and short videos. Video scene planning. Second example. Now I tried another test. I uploaded an image of a boy on the beach, applied different angles again. And the results look very realistic and consistent. The perspective changes feel natural, not distorted. Feature 2. Storyboard. Now let's move to another powerful feature, Storyboard. This is perfect if you want to create video scenes, short films, YouTube content planning. Here's how it works. Select Storyboard. Upload your image, write a detailed prompt. Example, a cinematic scene of a man walking on the beach during sunset with dramatic lighting. Click Generate. After a few seconds, you get a complete storyboard with multiple frames ready. This basically turns your idea into a visual sequence instantly. Second workflow test. Creative scene. Comic action. Let's try something more creative. Cartoon-style superheroes fighting mid-air above a city. Vibrant colors, comic-style, dynamic action pose. Image result, super clean and expressive. Characters look consistent and the action feels alive. So, is Hailuo actually worth it? What works really well? All-in-one workflow, image to video, access to top AI models, strong 4, case-style output quality, smooth motion in videos, unique tools like Any Angle and Storyboard. Biggest advantage, you can go from idea to visuals to motion without leaving the platform. That's a huge time saver. Now let's quickly talk about pricing. You do get a free plan for testing, but if you actually want high-quality results and faster workflow, the Max membership is the one worth getting. With Max, you unlock higher generation limits, faster rendering speed, better video quality with near 4K output, advanced AI models like Hailuo 2.3, Sora, and Veo, better motion control, fewer watermark limitations. And right now, Seedance 2.0 is available at 65% off, which is currently one of the lowest prices online. So if you're serious about AI content creation, this is honestly the best time to try the Max plan. Final verdict. So, can Hailuo replace multiple AI tools? For most creators, honestly, yes. You're getting image generation, AI video creation, and advanced creative tools all in one platform. If you want faster workflow, better visuals, and less complexity, Hyo AI is definitely worth trying. Check the link in the description, try it yourself, and let me know your results. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.